lovely. So today we're going to be changing the radiator in the Mark III Supra. I've been having some overheating issues. I'm pretty sure it's down to the radiator, but first I've got to get some coolant flush and some coolant to actually go into the new radiator when we install it. So let's go. First things first, we gotta pop the bonnet and get the coolant out of this thing. So whilst the coolant's all draining out of it, we can start getting these two brackets off that hold the radiator actually in place. There are sort of stands underneath it which will still hold the radiator on. So yeah, let's get them off. Right, next thing's next, we've got to get the upper radiator hose, the reservoir hose and the lower radiator hose off. Let's see what sort of a state this thing's in. It should just about. Oh dear. Remember to unplug the electrics. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Well, that might be part of the reason that we're having an overheating issue. You can literally... That's not a good sign for the radiator. Right, now let's get the new one out and have a look at that. Now this thing do be looking a hell of a lot nicer. Right, let's get the shroud off the back of the old one, stick it on the new one, and then we can start dropping it in.
Perfect.
Right, radiator's in, but the little brackets I'll show you. They're a little bit on the rusty side, so we're going to quickly paint them. Look at that. These things look a hell of a lot better. Right, let's get them on the car. So now I'm going to get the the radiator hose is connected. You don't need to see that, you've just seen me do it in reverse. But yeah, once I get them connected, we just need to stick coolant in this thing and see if we got any leaks. Right, let's get this radiator all filled up. Now, of course, I'm using distilled water because we're going to do a flush on it. You might be wondering, with a new radiator in there, why the hell are you doing a flush on it? You've seen the state of the old radiator. So I'd be there forever and a day doing a flush through that thing. So we're just going to do it with the new one in there. Now we've got this thing all filled up, we just need to start it and bleed the system. So let's go. The radiator's all topped up, so let's go take it for a drive and see if it overheats. It's Ben from the future here. The Supra has died. We won't be taking it out for a drive, but obviously stay tuned for the next video and we'll fix it.